Habitats. The type of environment where an organism lives in the wild is called its habitat. Living things become well suited to their habitat and come to depend on the other organisms that live there. Ecosystems. Many different organisms live in one habitat, from tiny bacteria to big, powerful hunters. The living things in a habitat plus the habitat itself are called an ecosystem. Adaptation. Over time, living things slowly change to become more suited to the conditions of their habitat. This is called adaptation. Producers and consumers. Organisms in a habitat are either producers or consumers. Those such as plants and algae that make their own food by photosynthesis are producers. Those that eat producers, and the things that eat those organisms are consumers. Predators and prey. Animals in a habitat can be predators or prey, or both. A predator is an animal that hunts and kills other animals for food. The animals that it eats are its prey. Scavengers. Scavengers are carnivores that eat animals that have died naturally or been killed by a predator. They don't usually kill prey themselves. Interdependence. Many organisms in a habitat rely on each other and their environment to stay alive. This is called interdependence. Decomposers. Decomposers feed on dead or rotting plants and animals, breaking them down into simple nutrients and causing them to decay. The nutrients are released into the soil, air and water, where plants can use them to grow. Worms, fungi and bacteria are decomposers. Food chain. A food chain is a diagram showing how energy passes between organisms within a habitat when one eats another. The chain starts with a producer and ends with a top consumer, one that nothing else eats. Food web. A food web is a number of food chains that are linked to each other, showing the interdependence of a lot of different types of organisms in a habitat.